Hi, I'm going to show you how to join a Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google. The next thing you need to note or check is if you're logged into your Google account. Here I can see that I am logged in to my Google and I am going to click my Gmail. Once I get to my email, I will find the email that my teacher sent me so that I can join the meeting. This information right here is what I will need to get to the meeting. If you do not have a computer, but you were able to get this email, you can also use your cell phone to get into the meeting and listen and talk to all the others. So what you're going to want to do is click either one of these links. Your computer is going to ask you if you want to allow your camera and microphone to work. You'll click allow. It'll take a few minutes. Then once you see yourself, you can click join now. One tip I would say is to mute your mic before you go in so that if other people are talking, it doesn't disrupt anybody. Once you're in the meeting, you will see people who are talking. You can click this side to see anybody that would be in the meeting. When it is your turn to talk, if this screen down here is not up, you just need to wave over your picture and then unmute yourself, and then you can remute yourself. I hope that helps.